Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to show you a very useful application from Odoo Community Association and one of the Odoo partner who has developed this application for product master management. And the application name is Product Class. What exactly it does? When we encounter a very specific need from our clients, like they wanted to create an attribute driven product master, then this application will be useful. How? Let's see that. With this application, you can create a group of attributes and convert into or attach into a specific object, that is classes. So for example, if you are dealing with furniture or clothes or electronic item, there might be certain attributes which are common, which can be a mandatory, and in order to create a right product with right attribute, we can create a class and then attach it with our product master. So let's jump into our tutorial where I have installed that app on my local environment, and over here in inventory you can see that in sales product classes are there, even in inventory configuration. So classes are part of our sales, where I can go to product class master. So here I have created two separate classes. One is for clothes, where I have assigned two attribute masters. One is color, another one is size, and over here we can make it required. So whenever I'm adding any new ready-made garments or clothes item, size is mandatory, colors are not mandatory. That is my first class. And second is home furniture, where color is not mandatory, but yes, material is mandatory. And these are nothing but our attribute master. So color is coming from my masters over here, where you can again check the product classes association with it, as well as we can have material, where again product classes and association with real product and classes. So material, cotton, rayon, silk, which are used on furniture. And size is associated with our clothes. So product and product classes are again over here. Now, if we create any product, let's say I am creating female round neck t-shirts. That is my product I am creating right now, trackable by inventory. And over here now, when you go to attribute and variant form, you will see a product class. If I don't choose, it will allow me to create anything which is required for my gender or pattern. Okay, because I don't have any value, it will not show me any values. Then age group also, like 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 30. So these are the age group. So it will allow me to create 4 variants. But when I wanted to associate my class and I am trying to save, it will throw me a validation error. Because if I want to associate my clothes type class, then size is mandatory over here, color is not. So over here, when I am applying clothes type, then you can see color and size both option is appear over here as a default mandate, and then I am choosing the size which is mandatory. Now clothes where age group doesn't belong to this class, so that it will ask me to remove that, or else I need to add age group over here. But when I add color and trying to save, it will again stop me because this age group is not associated with my class. So what I have to do, I will simply go into my class masters in clothes, and then I have to give age group as an option. Once I am coming back to female round neck t-shirt and I want to associate my cloth as a class, then I can add color, whatever are required and associated, and size also, which I wanted to give for this. Then only my product will be created and variants will be created. So this is very important functionality for many traders or businesses who are dealing in a lot of type of variety and variants of product, where a product master is necessary to come with some default presets. So this is going to give you a presets. Same way, let's say I have created L-shaped sofa where I have used home furniture as a class, and I am giving color and material both as a mandate. Now if I create 2 by 3 sofa set, and then if I associate my home furniture, then it will ask me, you have to attach color and material over here. So it is a mandatory. Then I will attach all the available colors and then material over here, like it is available in cotton, rayon and silk, all three. Then it will allow me to save this product. So product class will play a major role to create a right product with right attribute and its presets. So hope this particular small application will give 100% relief to the product manager or business who want to create a right product variants with right properties and right attribute and its values via this product classes as a preset and associated with all the attribute masters. If you want to download this application, I will give you this link in my YouTube video description. Thank you very much again to OCA and the partners who have developed this module. And you can also search through a product attribute OCA library for many such wonderful modules available over here. Thank you guys. If you have any question, reach out to us at techvaria.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Have a good day.